Hey, this will be a video chart on OTOW. Did this one a while back, and I had quite a few people asking kind of for an update today. So the chart had a pretty wild day, as you can see. Nice volume came in, and the price did react, bullishly at first, and then at the end of the day, the profit takers really stepped in and basically pounded the price all the way back down to where it had opened. We can see that. By looking at the 5-minute chart, you can see that literally right here towards the end of the day, the price just really got drilled pretty good. Profit takers really stepped in and drove the price right back down to where it had opened. Now, from the daily chart perspective, there is still hope, and the daily chart is still bullish, and I'll explain what I mean by that in a little bit. But the first thing I did want to point out was the bullish cross has happened. And that's always a good thing. It's not a leading indicator or anything like that because it's formed based upon past data. Remember, it's just averages, and averages are taken from things that have already happened. But nonetheless, it is one of these events where you want to keep, pay attention to and keep an eye on, because it does confirm that the price is in an uptrend. In a situation like this, really what it's confirming is that after this initial big move here, the price has done a good job of maintaining itself. So that's more of what it's confirming here, is that the price has been able to hold up, whereas a lot of penny stocks will jump up and make a move like this and then they're straight back down to where they started, but not the case with this one. So what needs to happen in order for this chart to remain bullish? Well, I probably talked about this in the last video, but it all revolves right here around that purple line, which is the 50-day simple moving average. We want to see the price remain above that, and as long as that is the case, that will imply that the bulls are in charge. And as you can see, that hasn't been even a problem. This is actually probably the closest it's been to being tested here. It was kind of close, but not really. And same here. So if this uptrend is going to continue, the bulls are going to have to keep maintaining themselves up above this level here. Now, in terms of resistance levels, it seems as though this 0.015 is being pretty stubborn in that department. I'll show where I'm getting that level from here in just a minute. But as you can see, if we go back and look through the history of the chart, short-term wise, you can see there is a bunch of tops here where the price tried to get through it. Did get through it here, but from the daily chart perspective, we care about where the close is. And couldn't quite do it. And then today, once again, got above it intraday, but we care about where the close was. So this 0.015 really seems to be the stubborn level of resistance. So that's going to be the key area of resistance. I'm not going to go any further than that, one step at a time. And then obviously the key area of support, which I talked about, is this 50-day simple moving average. So in a sense, we kind of have an ascending triangle going. We have this level here at 0.015, and then we have this uptrending moving average. So if you look here and kind of use your imagination, you can see we are forming a kind of abstract ascending triangle. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together with our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this is OTOW. Thanks for listening.